The bigger challenge at this point is, of course, it's all interesting. It should be looked into, but the bigger challenge is establishing authentication or authenticity. How can one be able to authenticate that that message really did come from the president, and that's a real screenshot of a conversation?
That's why I'm urging Senator Lacson, because he's the first one who named the Bersamins as recipients of the Tardo 8 billion. Diba? Siya yung una nagsabi noon eh. So, kaya lang, pagkatapos niyang sabihin yon, bigla na lang nagkaroon ng gulo, nag-resign tinanggal si
Bersamin.
Yes, Bersamin, pero hindi niya pinatawag. Yun na, malaking misteryo sa akin yun eh. Malaking misteryo sa akin yun na hindi yan pinatawag ng Blue Ribbon Committee. Diba? So, I think it's high time for Senator Lacson to call the Bersamins, call Lian Libiste para ma-verify ito. Dahil very serious allegations. At nakita ko hindi naman pwedeng basta na lang i-compose yung mga text messages na yun. Eh. In fact, there are items in the text messages that do not concern kickbacks but other important national issues. So yun yung nakita ko. At actually, yung nakita ko mga items talagang lumalabas, ginamit ito, maramihan dito ginamit sa 2025 national and local elections. And nakalagay din doon that the Alyansa senators received something from this source. So, siyempre, kilala nyo naman kung sino yung mga Alyansa senators. So, at nakita rin natin doon na merong pangalan doon ni Congress Toby Chanco being the campaign manager of the Alyansa and a name of a very well-known entertainer who received millions of pesos from this source. Actually, tinanong ko si Congressman Chanco, sabi ko, totoo ba na mayroong ganito para kay ganito? Eh, sabi niya, totoo yan. Dumadaan sa akin, pero hindi ko alam kung saan ang source. Basta ako ang campaign manager, ako yung nagsasabi kung sino yung mga babayaran. Pero hindi ako mahawak ng pera. Sabi.
Sino yung entertainer?
Well, very well-known entertainer, si Andrew E.
Oh, sabihin mo.
Andrew E.